Do you know which is one among the greatest discovery of man? The discovery of fire is among the greatest discoveries of man. Fire was probably discovered when two flints were rubbed together by accident and the resultant spark fell on dry leaves nearby, causing a fire. Over time, early men learned to control fire and use it for their benefit. They used fire as a source of light to cook food, to scare away animals, and to keep themselves warm. Look at the map of India. This is Andhra Pradesh and this is Kurnool. Why is this place so important? At Kurnool, archaeologists have discovered traces of ashes which suggest that prehistoric humans were familiar with the use of fire. Archaeologists have gathered crucial evidence of Upper Paleolithic humans living at Bilasargam, Muchatla, and Chintamanu near Betamcharla in Kurnool district about 17,000 years ago. You can see a cave art at Kurnool district. Around 9000 BCE began an intermediate stage which is known as the Mesolithic age. It occurred between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic or the New Stone Age. This age was characterized by the use of microliths or small stone tools. These tools were small but they were sharp and pointed. Mesolithic human beings lived on hunting, fishing, and food gathering. At a later stage, they started domesticating animals like dog, sheep, goat, and cattle. This marked the transition from subsistence to animal husbandry. Such microliths have been recovered from a large number of sites in Rajasthan, southern Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and also south of the river Krishna. Neolithic or the New Stone Age extended from about 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. It refers to the phase when humans started leading a settled life. They started producing their own food and domesticated animals. The tools became more sophisticated. Many of the rock shelters in which these early people lived have paintings on the walls. Some of the best examples are from the Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh. The paintings in these caves are stunningly beautiful and superbly crafted. They depict animals and birds. There are no landscapes and only a handful of poorly executed depictions of humans. You can see this. By contrast, the paintings of lions, stags, horses, bulls, etc. are magnificent. These rock paintings date back to the Paleolithic and Mesolithic periods. Natural red and white pigments are common colors used in these paintings. Green and yellow have also been regularly used. Look at the concept map. What all we learned in this? We learned about evolution of man, Stone Age, stone tools, techniques of making tools. Evolution of man first was hominids, then Homo erectus, and later the Homo sapiens. Stone Age is divided into three parts: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. They used stone tools. They were core tools, flake tools, and blade tools. There were techniques of making tools. They were stone on stone method and pressure flaking method. We also learned about Stone Age art. We shall quickly revise what we learned in this chapter. Humans evolved from ape-like creatures called hominids. Stone Age refers to the period when stone was used to make tools and weapons. Stone Age is broadly divided into three parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic age. Paleolithic people made core tools, flake tools, and blade tools. Paleolithic humans made stone tools using two techniques, stone on stone and pressure flaking method. Most Paleolithic sites have been unearthed near water sources and stone quarries. Paleolithic sites can be broadly divided into two, factory sites and habitation sites, or sometimes factory cum habitation sites. The discovery of fire greatly enhanced the life of early men. Information about the Paleolithic human is based upon fossils, tools, and cave paintings.